Let's draw Tweety from King Tweety animation. While drawing this picture, I want to tell you a beautiful story from King Tweety animation. In King Tweety, our favorite little yellow bird, Tweety, finds himself in a surprising royal adventure. The story begins when the queen of a faraway island mysteriously disappears. To everyone's surprise, it's discovered that Tweety is the next in line to the throne. Reluctantly, Tweety, along with his loyal but ever-troublesome companion, Sylvester the cat, and the kind-hearted Granny, travels to this exotic island. The transition from a simple life of playing pranks to royal duties is not easy for Tweety. However, the little bird's cleverness and bravery help him adapt to the challenges of being a king. But not all is well in this paradise. A scheming villain plans to take control of the throne, and it's up to Tweety and his friends to save the kingdom. Sylvester, despite his initial plan of catching Tweety, finds himself protecting him and fighting alongside him in a twist of fate. The story is full of humor, heartwarming moments, and unexpected turns. By the end, Tweety learns that being a king isn't just about wearing a crown, it's about caring for others and standing up for what's right. With teamwork and courage, Tweety and his friends restore peace to the island and uncover the mystery of the missing queen. Stay with us until the end of drawing and coloring this painting and tell us your opinion about the painting and the beautiful story. Please subscribe, like, and share this video. After completing the drawing, we start to paint. You can paint with pencil or gouache or watercolor or marker. Please subscribe, like, and share this video.